If you like craps and you like shoot to win, this is the place to do it. Plaza, downtown Las Vegas. This is a $1 minimum machine, which is very, very rare. There's only 3 $1 machines in the whole area of Las Vegas, and this is definitely the only one downtown. My favorite game downtown.
This pop-up pizza is really, really cheap. $7 slice. I got one of cheese is only $6. Looks delicious. Single zero roulette. I knew there was one place that had it. $25 single zero. $25 single zero. That's real good. Single zero roulette. $5 pop-up craps. Good, how are you? $13 donuts for $19.95. They totally screwed them by putting that stage there for the Slotzilla. Totally screwed them, because they used to have a beautiful view all the way down the Experience. The reason they did that is because the plaza is not part of the Experience. I love this wedding chapel. It's my favorite. I've never seen anyone getting married in this chapel. I like it because it's so simple. If you get married in Vegas, you're not going to have 20 or 30 people. You're going to have 2 or 3. If you're lucky to have even anybody besides yourself. Well, and the person you're marrying, I guess that would help. Just really pretty.
Lights are low, shadows crawl tall, velvet whispers down the hall. A cocktail wings from my hand. Dice roll secrets to the night. Every spin a shot at flight. I'm showing out in Las Vegas, in the city of endless stages, where dreams don't ask for wages. Red lips smash the roulette wheel, a smoky tune that makes you feel like a glance is the best. Trumpet sings a honeyed line.